In this video, we're going to demonstrate a quick and easy way to get started with N26, the modern banking solution you've been waiting for. If you've ever wondered how to create an N26 account hassle-free, you're in the right place. Stick around and we'll show you the ropes. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful guides like this one, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Plus, if you don't have an N26 account yet, you can use my referral link in the description to create an account and enjoy all the benefits. Let's dive right in. To create an N26 account, visit n26.com or use the link in the video description. Once you're on the app or website, you'll see the Sign Up or Create an Account button prominently displayed. Click on it to begin your journey. Now, let's break it down step by step. Start by entering your first and last name. Provide your email address. Make sure it's one you have access to, because N26 will send you important account-related information here. Finally, you'll need to add funds to your account to start using it for your financial transactions. You can link your existing bank account or use other methods to transfer money to your N26 account. Create a secure password. Remember to use a mix of uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account's security. Congratulations! You now have your very own N26 account, ready to make your banking experience more convenient and efficient. Creating your N26 account is a straightforward process that can open up a world of modern banking possibilities. With the right steps and guidance, you'll be well on your way to enjoying all the benefits N26 has to offer. We hope this step-by-step guide were helpful for you. If you found this video informative, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. And if you're ready to create your N26 account, use the referral link in the description to get started. For more tutorials, tips, and information, visit our website at mediamagnet.business. We're here to make your digital journey easier and more rewarding. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way. We have plenty of valuable content lined up to help you navigate the digital world with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Thanks for watching.